Welcome back. In our last video, we set up our development environment and wrote our first Python program. Today, we'll explore the basics of Python, including variables, data types, and basic operations. Variables are containers for storing data values. In Python, you simply use an assignment statement to declare a variable. Here, name is a variable that stores the string value John. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare the type of a variable explicitly. The type is inferred from the value assigned to it. Here, age is a variable that stores the integer value 30. You can reassign variables to different types of values. Variable naming rules. Variable names can include letters, digits, and underscores. They must begin with a letter or an underscore. Python is case sensitive, so my variable and my variable are different variables. Primitive data types. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in quotes. Numbers can be integers or floating point values. Booleans represent true or false values. None represents the absence of a value or a null value. Lists are ordered collections of values, which can be of different types. Tuples are ordered collections of values that are immutable, cannot be changed. Sets are unordered collections of unique values. Dictionaries are collections of key value pairs. Arithmetic operations. These are basic arithmetic operations you can perform on numbers. You can concatenate strings using the plus operator. Using f-strings allows for easier string interpolation. These are comparison operations that return a Boolean value. Today, we learned about variables, data types, and basic operations in Python. These are the building blocks of programming. In the next video, we'll explore control structures like conditional statements and loops, which allow you to create more dynamic programs. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. See you next time.